Good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the market technical view. Nifty has been trading in a range past 15 trading sessions, 18,480 to 18,800. Nifty showed signs of profit booking, breaking levels of 18,600, but managed to held on to supports of 18,480, which is a positive sign, and made a doji candle, which is a reversal candle, and closed above the highs of doji candle, which is a positive sign. Open interest data suggests Nifty might head towards 18,800, 18,900. Bank Nifty too was consolidating in a range of 43,400 to 44,800. Yesterday, Bank Nifty opened around 43,800 and managed to hold on to supports of 43,400 and closed above 44,000, which is also a positive sign. Break above 44,500, we might head towards higher levels. Yesterday's advance decline was also a positive sign, advances outperforming the declines, indicating the market breadth is strong. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Do like, share. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to get the market updates. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.